Do you stream on Twitch and want to unlock the subscribe button on your channel? What you need is to become a Twitch affiliate. That's the only way to get access to features like subscriptions and gifted subs. To become an affiliate, Twitch has a few clear goals you need to hit. First, you need to have at least 25 followers. This means 25 different people need to click the follow button on your channel. Next, you need to stream for a total of 4 hours. This can be spread across several days. You do not need to do it all at once. Twitch just wants to see that you're active. You also need to stream on 4 different days, so you'll want to go live on at least 4 separate calendar days, not just 4 times total. Finally, you need to average 3 viewers or more during your streams. This means that on average, at least 3 people should be watching your stream when you're live. Once you complete all of these steps, Twitch will send you an invite to join the affiliate program. You'll find this invite in your Twitch dashboard. From there, you just accept the offer and fill out the required forms. After you become an affiliate, the subscribe button will show up automatically on your channel. Your viewers will now be able to subscribe and even gift subs to others. This helps you grow your community and earn money from your content. So keep streaming, stay consistent, and focus on reaching those 4 goals. Once you do, the sub button will be yours. Thanks for watching.